Hello there, you're watching Project Geometry on YouTube, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami bird with stand. This model is inspired by the traditional flapping bird and includes 4 legs that allow it to be put on display on either a desk or in a showcase. Now I designed and diagrammed this model myself, so I'll be including a free PDF download link in the description below. So without further ado, let's begin. This model requires a square sheet of paper. Mine was of dimensions 6 3/4 inches, but you're free to use whatever size you'd like. Let's start with the white side up and fold it in half diagonally in both directions. Now let's flip it over and fold it in half again, horizontally and vertically. Now fold all 4 corners into the center. After turning the model over, we're going to collapse it in on itself using the creases we just made. Make sure all these creases are nice and sharp. Now, with the open side facing towards you, fold both bottom edges into the center. Also fold down the top point, and then unfold the last 2 steps. Fold up the top layer and flatten it using the existing creases as a guideline. Flip the model over and repeat. Behind the top point, you should see a layer of paper. Loosen this layer and free it completely. Repeat on the other side and on the back. Now fold up both edges simultaneously. It should form a point in the middle. This is called a rabbit ear fold. Repeat on the other side and behind. Pre-crease both bottom points and perform inside reverse folds. Inside reverse fold a small point to give the bird a head. Now fold down all 4 bottom points. To form the feet of the base, pre-crease each point and then outside reverse fold. It may be helpful to peel back the outer layer of the wing in order to do so. Repeat on the other side. Now fold down both wings and, congratulations, you are done. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions for a future video, please comment below.